Hello, Raziq. Assalamualaikum. We're gonna start straight with um, the difficult part for maths. Okay, I think more or less you are quite good in maths for paper one, but paper two is where we really need to work hard lah. Okay, so it might be a little bit challenging, but be positive. Okay, so let us see. This is which school is this? This is mid-year tahunan. Tahunan. So let us try. We start with paper two. Okay. Okay, it might be a little bit tough, but I want you to just try. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. We start with problem sums here. Okay, you need to do on a paper and pencil so that I can check the working. Okay, if you cannot see, I'll enlarge it. There are three persons: Mark, Ben, and Tim. You okay? Okay, withdraw lah, withdraw. You need help not? Or you still doing? Don't be frustrated lah. Okay, this is part parcel. Soon you find it chicken. Now you find it okay. They would change. Soon you find it chicken. Can do not? I cannot hear you lah.
No.
No. Okay, come, come. You sit down, come, come. I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay. So there are three persons. One is Mark. One is Ben. And we can draw now. Mark has less than Ben. So Mark is a shorter one. Ben has a longer bar lah. And Ben has $30 more lah because Mark got $30 less. That means down here is $30. Okay, I'll make it. Okay, down here, $30. Now there's one more person, Tim. Now for Tim's case, he has $50. We know that. 50 here. Okay. Now the whole thing, all of them have 220. So step one, what do we do? Step one, we can minus Tim's money because we know Tim got the amount. We minus lah. So how much do you get? Minus, you get 170 years. So that means, what does it mean? It means Mark and Ben got $170. Can you solve it now? Can you solve it? Not 1.7. Mark and Ben got $170. Can you solve this one now?
170 divided by 2.
Don't divide by 2 first. Minus 30 first. Minus.
Okay. 140.
140 is for these two. Two rectangular bar is 140. So how much is one?
70.
70, good. Okay, now 70 is for Mark, but Ben got how much? 70 plus 30, no, Ben. So how much Ben will have? See, Ben, how much will Ben have? Berapa tu?
100.
100, well done. Okay, but that's not the end, okay? Once you have solved this, you must make sure you write your number sentence. So we go step by step. 220, come, come. 220, what are you doing? 220 minus 70. Oh, love. Okay. 220 minus 50. Then 170, we do whatever you did, minus 30. Then get 140, right? Then 140 divide by 2. You must write all these number sentence, no? This number sentence will give you marks and also prepare you for PSLE. Otherwise, don't know what to write for PSLE. I got so many students, they don't know how to write number sentence. And then the last part, 70 plus 30. These are all the steps you took, Raziq. These are all the steps you took, right? First you minus, then you minus again, then you divide by 2, then you plus. So this give you full marks. Okay, we move. This is primary 4 lah. This is primary 4. But many students, they don't master this at primary 4, primary 5, primary 6, they have got problem. So you won't have this lah, inshallah. Okay, I'm now gonna clear screen. So I hope you get it. Clear screen. I got to clear the whole thing like that. Let's try the next one. You know what's a time drive, right? But never mind lah. It's something that you can draw a model if you want to. you got the answer already?
Huh?
You got the answer
No.
already? You can draw model lah. You draw model, one for camera, one for thumb drive. Flash disk lah. So T. So which one is cheaper? You put 1 square.
But
You know, for the group tuition, I cannot go through this type of questions now because many of them cannot concentrate. So I go do the easier stuff for the group tuition. Except for 1-to-1, we can go through the very difficult one.
why is it so hard to draw?
Okay, no problem, no problem. Correct.
Wait. Okay. No. Oh, shit.
Okay, good. You use the bracket to show the 250, then you can solve.
What?
The bracket, this one. Now you need to indicate this 250, this one. Use a bracket. I bracket for you, okay? I bracket for you. You got the bracket like that, something like that. And then you put 250. Yes. Now you can solve already. Okay. So how to solve? Correct. Okay, good. Okay, the rest you can do on your exercise book lah. What's the cost of time drive? What's the cost of camera? That's it.
Huh?
How many units is equal to 250?
5.
5. Then find 1 unit. Then you can find a time drive.
5 divided by 250.
The other way around. 250 divided by 5. Now, you can do. I'll show you a simple way of dividing. You can cover the 0. You know how to do that way or not? You know what I mean?
For 50.
50, good. So thumb drive is 50. How much is the camera?
200.
Very good. Okay, we don't need to go further. That means you are very good already. But Raziq, you have to do more of these type of questions. You know the Singapore maths still bad. Why you say still bad? You are improving what? During
I fail.
Yeah, but during the group tuition, you are one of the fastest, right? Do you know there's some P5 students there or not? Do you know?
Wait, math, I don't know if I pass or fail.
Inshallah lah, you'll pass. Never mind. We target for end of the year. Now mid-year is okay. But do you know in the group tuition there's primary 5 students there? Do you know? There's primary 5 students, and you are doing better than some of them.
Which one?
I cannot tell you lah. They feel malu lah. You can guess lah. You can see which one. In fact, sometimes they tell you they're primary 5, but you can do this. You try, yeah.
Which one?
What you mean? Which one? There's only one question there.
No, I mean the primary 5.
Alura, you know what's hype not?
What?
Let's say you have something, you're embarrassed, you don't want others to know. I cannot tell you I feel very bad because I didn't jaga how they feel. So even certain things they say I know about you, I won't tell others. So the same thing, I cannot tell others, but you listen to how they talk and all that, you will know which one. There's 2 of them. In your primary 4 class, there's 2 of them who are in primary 5. Can you imagine? And you are doing better than both of them sometimes. Last week, the last session, you did better than them. So you are improving, you are getting better. You must be happy with that, but don't condemn yourself and say, no, I'm lousy, I'm stupid. Don't say all that. Allah doesn't like that, you know. Allah created you intelligent. Everyone, not only you, everyone, right? Okay, come, we try, son. John is 24 years old. Son.
Is this it?
Your answer is it?
No, I
Answer.
don't know.
Let me see. I have not. No, it's let me see. How old is son now? No, it's not. This one you gotta take it relax. Okay, breathe in, relax aja. You don't need to feel frustrated. There's one thing about, okay, you and your, let's say your mom or dad, something, as you both grow older, something doesn't change. What is it? Something will never change. What is that?
Your feeling.
Feelings? No. Your feelings can change. You know, some people, they get so angry or love their parents even more. But not feelings. Feelings can change, you know. Something cannot change. Something to do with the age. Let's say, how old is your dad now?
I don't know.
Many children are asked, they all don't know. Okay, let's say he's 40 years old, and you are 10 years old. Imagine, he's 40, you are 10. So what's the difference in age?
10.
30 lah. 40 minus 10 is 30. Means when you were a baby, he was 30 years old. Imagine now you are 100 years old. How old will your dad be?
8. 8.
38? Apa ni? No. Now
I said date.
No, don't say date, ya Allah. Hey, come back. Hey, why you wish your... Imagine lah.
What? I'm correct, what?
Are you sure
If
you
I'm
do?
100, he will already die already, what? Pass away already.
So you feel you'll be dead, you will be alive, 100, dead also.
No.
I did a documentary called Ukiran Melayu. You know how old the man was? 115 years old. Can you imagine?
I thought 101.
115, but he died at 115. He died not long after we did the documentary. Okay, so now you see, let's say now we imagine, let's say you're 50 years old. Okay, this is Raziq. When Raziq is 0, Daddy 30. The difference is 30 years old. The difference is 30. So when Raziq is 50 years old, imagine your dad is still around. How old is your dad?
80.
Not 30 lah. How come now?
I said 80.
80. Good. So notice what doesn't change. What doesn't change? The difference in age doesn't change. When you're 20 years old, your dad
does change.
No, the difference does not change. It's always 30, 30, 30. So that is your clue. Your clue is when you draw the model, your dad will always be 30 years older than you. If both are alive, let's say, both are alive. We imagine both are alive, Daddy, Raziq. He will always be 30 years older than you. So that is your clue. You got to figure out in this question how. You got to draw the model. Draw the model for 6 years time first. Draw the model.
Yes, time.
And then after that, you draw the model. And then 24, you know what to put. You try.
J. What the hell? J. 30.
No, I'm draw model.
Ow.
Okay. So I'll draw for you lah. Okay.
Whee!
Okay, now you have John and his son.
There's no son.
Okay. Yeah, and his son, right? So we put S and we put S and the thing lah. Come. Son, we make it as 1 square. Why? Because John will be 4
1 years old.
No. Because John will be 4 times as old as his son. So John as 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So they say 6 years time, John will be 4 times as old as his son. 4 times. So now the difference in age does not change. So where is 24? Can you label 24 on my drawing? Label 24 on my drawing. The one you're drawing. Label 24 on my drawing. Come.
What?
Label 24. Remember the 24 that doesn't change, right? The difference doesn't change, correct? Between the two persons. So where is 24 years? Can you label on my diagram where 24 is?
This.
Difference, difference.
Nah.
Difference
Eh?
on here. Okay, where's the difference?
Kita ben. Meaning?
Meaning, okay, older than the sun. He is 24 years older than the sun. Which part is older than the sun? Which part? Can you shade that part is older than the sun? John is older, which part?
Yes.
Which part now?
Yes.
Okay, this
Yes.
one now, this is the sun's age. Older part is down here. Correct or not? So what does it mean? This part is 24. Once you can do this, you can find out his age.
I already say what. That's why I do dot.
But you put a dot in front here, is not the dot here. It's this 3 lah. Okay. All
But
right.
it's still the same 3 what?
Yeah, but not on the diagram 3. The diagram shows, that's why we draw the diagram, right? You are right, it's 3 squares. You are right. But is this 3, yeah? Okay, then you solve it lah now. You can solve it.
One question, why do you always record?
So many reasons why. Sometimes I need to stop the tuition because they say student is too difficult. Parents say, why you stop? I say you watch the video lah. Finish. So sometimes I have a habit of stopping students because I want to teach the Muslims to do well. But if let's say the student is KO, KO is opposite of okay, then at least that one is one reason. Another reason, for those hardworking students, they will watch the video and they will practice again, and it's for them.
Never send me the video.
Okay, I'll show you how to get to the video. Okay, very simple. Okay.
Never have a WhatsApp.
No need WhatsApp. You see, you go to YouTube down here, type YouTube, YouTube. Then in the search,
You put on YouTube.
Mr. Shahid Zoom Tuition. Okay. Now you will have this. So you go here, right? There is actually playlist. Okay, let's say videos.
Wait.
You go to playlist down here. Playlist. So playlist, primary 4 tuition. Can you see this one? 1-to-1 tuition. You go down here, 1-to-1. What do you see? You will see so many. You can find your photo. Who's it? Faris, first lesson. Who is this? You, Raziq. So down here, all the others I'm teaching.
Up.
Okay, can you see that? So down here, you have different students lah. So you can check over here. Why do I do this? Very simple. If you want to revise, you can revise. If you
Mr.
don't,
Shahid Zoom what?
tuition.
Okay, what now?
Okay, you go to playlist.
Playlist. Which one's playlist?
You can check under videos. Or you check under my name. But don't worry, no one. Okay, you look at the number of views. Not many people will watch, right? In fact, outsiders won't watch at all. Why they won't watch? Because it's not their video. They don't know what's happening. They don't have the questions. They don't. So those who will watch will be the person himself who are involved, and that's why it's good lah. Right? Okay, come we solve it lah. Solve this one, come on.
I subscribe.
Good. Thank you. Okay, so you will get the update lah every time you can see Raziq's tuition. Then. So some students are afraid. Why? But I will see who's gonna watch this one. Such a boring video, right?
Hehe. Six.
Six. Okay, good. Well done. But remember, this is not 6. This one, 1, 2, 3 is 24.
I know it's not 6, but it's my guess is 6.
No, you take 24 divided by 4 lah. Down here, I even draw for you 3 units. That's what you told me.
Oh, wait. Heh.
Okay.
Eight.
8. Well done. But that is the age of the sun in 6 years' time. How old is the sun now?
32.
2 years old, right? 2 years old.
Wait, what? 2 years old?
Yeah, because 6 years' time is 8 years old. You see down here, this is what we are drawing in 8 years' time. Is it? So you
I
found
hear
out
you. Wait. I hear you say
2 years
2 years
old.
old. That's
Yeah,
what I
because
heard.
so the sun now, this is in 6 years' time. 6 years' time, John will be 4 times as old as his son. So how old is the son now? Son is 2 years old. How you get 2? 8 years minus 6 years. Now he's only 2 years old. Get it, Nana? This model is a model for 6 years' time. 6 years' time means what? In the year, let's say 2027 lah.
Oh, so this is the past. This is the past.
This is the future. Now go back to present. These are days of future past. So never mind, you'll find more and more of such these questions. But this question, do you think I can go through for the group tuition? I cannot. Right?
Why not?
Because some people will start chanting on the screen, and then everyone chanting, and then everyone's not. At least for you, you are chanting, but you are listening still. So for you,
But
you
they
can.
rage quitting.
Sorry?
Because they are raging. That's because they cannot answer, so they are mad. Like me.
No. Don't be mad, okay? Don't be mad. You must take it easy lah. So what if you can answer? So what? It doesn't mean anything, right?
Sometimes in school, if my teacher show me like show the class the answer, and then I too late, and then the teacher go and change already, and then and there's water coming out my eye after that.
Oh, so why does this happen? Maybe in your childhood you used to feel frustrated, and maybe when you were a small boy, maybe this is
every
a
time I
habit.
miss a question, right, I will cry because later I get scared that later I
you have problems.
get scolded by the teacher.
Don't be scared lah. You are intelligent boy. Don't be scared. Take it easy. In life, you cannot get everything you want. Confirm. So it's okay. You miss not too bad.
What's this? I will kill him.
Okay, come. You try now. Number 6. Aisha. You try. You think about it. You can draw your model. You can cut this model. They draw a part of the model for you.
How?
Okay.
What? This divided by this?
No, That's called a gasak bota method. First, we use, gasak bota means cincai. First, we look at this sentence. A blouse costs half as much as a dress. But before that, there is a blouse down here. Which one is a blouse? Is it A? Is it B? Or is it C? Which one? Which is a blouse? Guess if you don't know. A, B, C. Oh, B. This is called a skirt. Skirt means the like.
Yes.
Which one? Which one? So skirt down here. This is blouse. Blouse is what we call shirt or t-shirt. Shirt or t-shirt when a girl wears it is called a blouse. Dress is a mixture of, let's say you take your blouse, you sew to the skirt, it becomes dress. Okay, so we need to know this because we are boys, we do not know this normally. For us, it's shirt and pants, shirt and pants. So the shirt is the blouse. The pants is the skirt. If we have both together, it's called a dress. Okay, so now blouse costs half as much as a dress. Can you see it's half? We cut that down here. Okay. Then you draw 3 blouses. This is only 1. Draw 3. 2 dresses. This is only 1. Draw 2. So you draw the model. 3 and 2. Then you know how many units there are. Not that way, not that way. Cannot cut that way. Cannot cut that way. Okay, cannot cut that way. Okay, wait. We draw the blouse. One blouse is 1 square. This is 1 blouse. 1 dress is 2 squares. So you draw now. Blouse, how many squares are there? Yeah, correct. Draw. We want 3 blouses.
Wait.
The one is only 1 blouse.
Wait. One question. How right when you write right, that one like straight not like the thing like that one the line like not very big like this one. How?
Okay, you okay. I am now gonna let you see the thing so that you can see what exactly I'm doing. You can see this. Now, can you see annotate here? Can see now? I click annotate. Then they ask you what color you want. So you choose your color. Then this one is very fine. In fact, annotate itself, you look, they have different size of pen, down here. Can see big, small, thin. You want thin? Very thin down here.
Can you tell something?
Yeah.
I cannot see anything,
Okay. I will take a screenshot. I will share with you, okay? So now I take one screenshot. Okay. Oh, no. One more time.
It's invisible in my screen.
Okay. Hold on. Let me see.
Where's the thin?
Hold on.
I only can find a circle.
Okay, but the problem is they don't show lah. Okay. Sorry. I can't show you lah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now I show you now. Okay, hold on. Okay, this one. Let me stop screen share. Okay, now did I stop the screen share? Yes, right.
Yes.
So now Allahu Akbar, mana ni? Sorry, I'm trying to find this thing. Where is it going to?
Wait. Why do?
All right, see here. Okay, can you see this thing here? Annotate. This thing will appear when you put your cursor on top. This is called a cursor. Put it on top, this thing will come out. You click this one, then they will show format. You click format, and then they will show you the size of the pen. This one is a photograph. I cannot click this. I cannot click. You see, because photograph. So you must search for annotate.
Format.
Then can you see the size of the pen? Okay. All right. Okay. So now you try lah. Okay, I draw the first one for you. Okay, 1 blouse. They draw for you 1 blouse, 1 dress, but you can cut it down here lah. 2. This one 2 units. So now you want 2 dresses. How many units? 3 blouse. How many units? You draw lah.
What?
See, what am I talking about? Okay, I will draw again. Now let's see. First, they say this is, alamak, very thin lah. How come mine is very, I don't want too thin lah, too thin. Okay, this is now, this is one blouse. So now you draw three blouse. How you draw three blouse? You draw lah, three blouse. Now one dress. This is one dress. One dress, there's two.
Big. Okay.
So two dress, how many? Draw the units, you can see. Then all of them later, once you draw, it becomes equals to 210. But you
Hey, you say this is one dress, but this is two.
Yeah, this is two. One dress is 2 units. One blouse is 1 unit. Then down here they say what? You can see it. One dress is 2 units. One blouse is 1 unit.
Looks like 1 unit.
Draw 3 blouse lah. 3 blouse. Okay, I draw you. One blouse, 1 blouse, 1 blouse, 3 blouses. See? There's another blouse, another blouse. There are 3 blouses already.
This one's so confusing.
This is 3 blouses, right? 1, 1, 1, 3. I draw another dress now. You want 2 dresses, right?
Wait, what?
Like that. Can see now. This is one dress. One dress. Altogether 2 dresses. 1 blouse, 1 blouse, 1 blouse. 3 blouses. This is 3 blouses. This is 2 dresses. You get it now? So you count the number of units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units, 210. Means what? Maths is hard. Okay, maths hard now. That we do step by step lah. We go step by step. Okay, I'm gonna. This one you understand? A blouse costs half as much.
What do you mean by math is hard? What do you mean?
I don't know. You should put M hard. Maths hard.
I just say MH.
So MH.
It's not M hard. It's not math hard.
Okay, never mind. Then we do this one and see. One blouse is 1 unit. 3 blouses must be 3 units. 1 dress is 2 units. 2 dresses must be 4 units. So 3 blouses and 2 dresses cost 210. So 7 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cost 210. Can get now? You find 1 unit now. Then 1 dress is how much? 2 units, right? How much 1 dress? Then you get answer.
To get 1 unit, 210 divided by 7.
Go.
What? What are you eating? I also still haven't eaten.
Oh, you mean go and take some food lah.
Still haven't eaten. 210 divided by 7.
Okay, what you do? You cover this one. Can you see? You're not sure how to do. Just take cover. 21 divided by 7. What's the answer?
Three.
Then you add the 0 here. So 1 unit is 30. 2 units is?
60.
That's your answer for dress. Finish. Gone. Your working is clearly shown here. The main thing is to understand how to use this. This is one of the toughest maths in the world. You know that? People from other countries that they don't know. Say, how come when I show them, I teach teachers in
What is the hardest?
maths in Singapore. Model. Other countries don't have model, no method. The model method is called a Singapore maths. So when I show them, okay, this is how you do it, their mouth just, and then I teach them, say, wow, very difficult, Say, yes.
So the only one that know a lot about model is just Singapore.
Yes, because Singapore created the model. The model method is created by Singapore.
Why though? Why did they create though?
Why they create that? Because some of the difficult questions can only be solved by algebra. Algebra is X, Y. Later on, you will learn that. So when they use the model, they say children can understand. But even then, it's quite difficult, right? It's quite difficult. So, but what to do? What to do is, yeah, this is what we have to face here. We are in a very good country. So, all right, let us see now. You got to crack your head, Crack your head.
What? Crack my head. What do you
Crack.
mean?
That means you got to think hard, lah. You know how to find area.
Oh God, there's everything on my other school.
I'm here to help you, okay? Don't worry, okay? So we take our time. You must believe in Allah, no? Because Allah will help you.
Find the area of the untreated parts.
Okay, I will use something to help you, but you think first. You think first.
We want what?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you something, okay?
Where you get America money? $1.
$1, you can get it from the money changer. Because I go to Cambodia. In Cambodia, they use US dollar. So, have I shown you US dollar before?
No.
Okay.
I'm just looking
the picture of the US dollar. One is not $1. Is it $1?
It is.
Okay. So now, Raziq, I now imagine I made it easier for you already. Later I'll put it back. Now you can do you can find out what is the white part. Just find the area of the 9 cm square. And remember, this smaller square is 7 cm. You can find one. Area of the 9 cm square you find. You know how to find area, nah? Have you learned? Length times breadth, right? So you find the area of the big square minus area of the small square. You get this. I think I need to cut and show you, then you will understand. Hold on,
Is it 27?
Sorry, I didn't get what you're saying. What's the answer? 7. Yeah, it's a 7 cm square.
I said is it 27? 27.
27. Okay, let me check.
Is it?
Hold on. 49, 81. No, it's not.
Then what is it?
Okay, now we do step by step. What is the area of the big square? You agree? Area of small square.
Is this 3?
Two.
2.
Yes.
One question was overlap.
Overlap means, okay. Now, because now I got to show you all this stuff. Can you see? This is actually overlapping with this. Overlap now. My hand overlap the other hand. So the paper, only this part got two paper. One paper on top, another paper. Like this, overlap. I show you. Now down here, overlap.
Yeah. Is the
Get,
Q28 the random thing? Whatever that thing's called.
which one? The white part?
No. Black.
Which one, I don't understand what. I will just show you by example, okay? Okay, imagine. Okay, Raziq. You see, this one, You want to find the white part. Look, can you see now? You find the whole area minus the red area. You
Yeah,
see?
15 minutes.
Yeah, so once you minus it, find the whole area. Look, Raziq. You find the whole area minus the small square area. Then you get this part. The whole area, 9 times 9. Minus 7 times 7. Get answer. That is for 1. There down here. This is for this part here. Can do not? Or you want to do your method? Okay, I do your method. Come, we do your method. Come. We do your method.
What method?
You have your own method. I'll show you your method. Just now, I am observing you, so I know what method you're using. You are using down here 2 cm. Okay, good. Down here 9 cm. So you can find the area for this one. Correct. Well done. Then now, you do the next one lah. Say next one, what one? Down here 2 cm. Down here how many cm? 7 cm one. You can find this one. Once you can find the red rectangle and green, just times by 2, you get this side also. Because this side also, you have the red one here. And you have the green one. So use your method lah. Your method is also correct, what? Your method is also correct. This is 9. This is 2. This is 2. This is 7. And
how is this 7 when there's already 9 here?
because the whole thing is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9.
Okay.
So I rub away that 9 lah.
Find the area of the unshaded part.
Unshaded is the blue and green and red.
Is this set 28?
Which one is 28? 7 times 7, 49. You don't take 7 times 4. You take, that's perimeter 7 times 4. Right?
I'm the chontin right now.
Why you not chonting? Because you feel frustrated.
Mad.
Imagine next time you're going to become father. No? Then you get so angry, chonting. Everyone, I'm chonting on the wall. You got to be able to control. Something got to control.
Don't zoom.
Right? Come, try.
First, let me check the time.
Aduh, this boy want to run away lah.
Okay, 12.
He's better than Faris. You can concentrate better than Faris, no, but don't tell him this lah. He might feel upset. You can concentrate better.
7.
Yeah, 7 times 7, 49.
Huh?
7 times 7, 49. But you don't need that. If you use your method, you don't need that. You just need the green part is 9 times 2. The red part is 7 times 2. Green part 9 times 2. Red part 7 times 2. You don't need the 7 times 7. You can find straight. Right?
Just plus all this.
Plus all that lah. Then you get it. Yes. Plus all of that. Don't take the 7 times 7. Plus all the rest. That's your method. You are teaching me that method. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No. Yes. So why are you talking? I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to Raziq. Come, Raziq, solve it. Raziq, you're in front of the goal. Score the goal. 40. Okay, let us see. 9 times 2, down here you get 18. Okay, let us see. I'm going to write it in blue. Down
Call
here is,
myself stupid.
don't call yourself that. 9 times
Yes.
2, 18. Then 7 times 2, 14. 7
Yes.
times 2, 14. So you plus all of them together lah. Plus all of them together. 18 plus 18, not 40 lah. Cannot be 40 lah. How come you get 40
I don't
times
know.
40? You
Don't
can,
ask
you
me.
must do like that. You know how to. You're the one who showed me. You go and cut it that way. There's one way. I do a different way. Tired, Raziq.
18 or 19? This
18,
is
18, 18. 18. 9 times 2, 18.
18, 36,
36 good.
50,
Mm-hmm. And
50, 64.
that is your answer.
And now clean this whole thing.
Why you want to clean it? But are you okay or not? Is it easy or
No.
difficult for you?
What do you think?
I think it's actually achievable for you.
No. I
You
always get
know,
wrong.
don't put yourself down now. You see, the person
Sometimes I get correct, sometimes I go
get
wrong,
wrong, yeah.
sometimes and then sometimes I just give up. I just left the page
Don't give up, lah. Don't give up.
empty.
I'm telling you, you will do very well in your maths, inshallah. But you got to be positive, lah.
I'm scared of my math teacher,
Why you scared of maths teacher? What did the maths teacher do? It's always shouting. What's the name of your maths teacher?
Mr. Darrelly.
It's okay, like, because sometimes some teachers they don't know. There's just too many students and making noise, and then they shout, scream, and they say, "I better warn the students." Then they will
I
do the homework.
mean, most of most of
Uh, most
most
of
of the
the,
students in the school are like scared of him now.
you know why some teachers are there? Because they found out that if you are strict, yeah, the students will do what you want. So that's why they do. But for me, I'm for tuition. You become strict, what happen? All the students run away, right? So I got to make sure that the difficult question you learn from me lah. Make sure you learn and you can do very well, Faris. Razik. Ya Allah. Adik Faris. Okay.
Don't do
So
that.
let us see. We have okay, we do
I'm
some
not
easy
doing
ones.
this.
We do an easy ones. Easy ones. Okay, now because sometimes when you do so much difficult ones, I say, Alamak, we need to do okay now. Can you try these two? 29 and 30.
Five, five.
We don't know 5. Actually, you don't need to know. Actually, you don't need to know where it's 5. You
Bro,
don't
what
need.
is this?
Okay, I tell you. You tell me what is this? This plus
Six.
this plus this. We do not know it's 6, right? But when you plus these 3, how much is it?
What?
You plus the 3 yellow part, how much is it? 12 lah. This plus this plus you put it together, you see. This part on here. Oh yeah. This part
Four.
yeah, but we do not know.
Four.
We do not know whether
Four.
it's 4.
Four.
Can
Four.
be 4. Can be 4. Can be 4. But we do not know for
Four.
sure.
And then 8. And then 12.
Possible. Next one down here, this one plus this one plus this one. How much is it? You know what?
What makes you think I know?
Ayo, because I believe in you. You don't believe
This
in yourself.
this is so small. It looks like 2, but 2
You
or
put
6.
yourself
So
down.
small.
You see, you put yourself down. I don't put you down because I believe that Allah.
Is this 2?
You do not know whether it's 2, but the red parts all together become 10. You don't need to worry if it's 2 or 3. This one might be longer than this. Doesn't matter. This plus this plus this is 10. Yellow plus yellow plus yellow is 12. Finish. You need to know just the perimeter. What? 10 plus 12 plus 10 plus 12. That's it. So what's the
But
formula?
this is so small. How is it 10?
That's why you don't need to find individual parts. What we know, these 3, when you add together, the 3 parts become 10. So 10 plus 10. You see, what about the yellow parts? I don't know. Is it 4? It looks like 4. I say it doesn't matter if
Can
it's
3
4.
even divided by 10?
10 cannot divide by 3.
Then
So this could be 3. It could be 2. Let's say 3. It can be 4. It can be what? Doesn't matter what. Because this plus this plus this is equals to 10. So you don't need to know it's 4 or not. You just know that the 3 of them, the 3 parts, they add up, you get 10. So now I give you like this. Let's say like that. Then I give you only down here 10. It's like 11. I ask you to do. Yeah, I say very easy. This plus this is 11. And then this
why?
plus this. No, we don't break it down. This plus this is 10. This one could be
Then
3,
the
7.
11 is nonsense because nothing can make 11.
No, that's why you are dividing to parts. They didn't ask you to find individual parts. They asked you to find the whole perimeter. What is perimeter? This plus this plus this. So what am I doing? I'm just adding this part and this part first. So this and this is equal to this. Oh yeah.
I
This
accidentally pressed the save button.
save button. What does it mean?
Yeah, by accident.
So what happened if you press the save button? Nothing, right?
What do you think?
Yeah,
now we
save
save on the PNG.
Okay. See down here, this one and this one, you add Raziq, it becomes here. Dah Raziq tengok concentrate ni dia lah.
Wait. I'm trying to put something. Masuk lah. Continue lah.
Okay, so you can see now the red part is this plus this. I don't need to know what is this. I don't need to know what this is. But these two will add up to down here. So I take, if this is 10, this is also 10. If this is 11, the purple is also 11. Okay, never mind. So you should be able to get the answer 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 12, and your answer is 44. Can you do this next question then? We got 3 minutes now for this one.
What? 30. The perimeter of a square is 36. What's the area? What is its area? Wait, first, is this 36 divided by 4?
Yes, because it's perimeter.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 9, 9, and 9.
Good.
So is it 9 times 9?
Yes, well done. Answer is?
89. I mean 81.
Well done. Okay, we got 2 minutes more. So, what is that? Your keyboard.
I don't know. What is this?
Keyboard now, it looks like keyboard. So what are you gonna be when you grow up, Raziq?
What?
What do you wanna be when you grow up?
I can't hear you.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
Okay, never mind. Okay, you try. I can use model for this question. 24 is the last question. Because after that, I got another tuition coming.
24 was the number.
I will help you draw the model. You
What is
shape.
this?
Okay, so now.
Must I turn the 2 to 24?
No. You shade which one is 24. Can you shade which one is 24? Then you know how to do. Imagine they are same size lah. I didn't draw it well lah. Okay, let's see. Imagine. Sorry,
How to do
You can do lah. Okay.
Why is it so loud?
Okay, come. Shade, which one is 2/5? Shade, which one is 2/5? Come on, it's 1 minute more. Come on. Before I explode. I am going to explode.
Yes.
Good. Wait. 1, 2. Okay, that is equals to 24. 24 equals to how many units?
4.
Not 4 lah. You shade this one, this one.
2.
2. So 1 unit is how much?
Is it supposed to be 10? Just one question.
No.
Okay.
1 is how much?
12.
12, good. So now 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. What is the whole number? 12 times 5. That is your number. What is it? 60. Well done. That's your answer. So this is how you do this type. Okay, I got to go off for my next tuition. You got any questions for me?
Who's the P5 student?
I cannot tell you lah. That is called aib. Aib means we do not want them to feel embarrassed.
Okay,
But you
okay,
observe.
okay.
You observe, okay? You observe. Okay,
So
assalamualaikum.
next class. Who's your next class?
Next class is a Sec 2 boy.
Okay.
Okay, assalamualaikum.